St Asaph Business Park is an incredibly important strategic business park in North Wales and indeed across the Northern Powerhouse region. Its location is amongst the best of any business park anywhere in England and Wales, right on the edge of the 55, close to ports and airports. It has the availability of a remarkably diverse skills base across North Wales and in the northwest of England, and has access to some centres of excellence, for example in the nuclear and energy industries.
North Wales is known as the heart of optoelectronics technologies within the UK, not just within Wales.
And North Wales is a thriving, bright economy, and I think the business park is a very significant part of that.
We have the people, we have the skills, we have the support from the community, and most important, we have the support from the Welsh Government.
The UK Space Agency have recognised that the facilities we provide here are pretty unique.
For people and investors who are looking to expand their businesses or to relocate, St Asaph Business Park, we feel, is an ideal location.
Being located in St Asaph, it's a fantastic work-life balance. You enjoy sailing, fishing, walking, cycling, golf, all of the things that give quality of life. It's a fantastic area.
If somebody wanted great access to transport, they wanted good access to local resources, they wanted good parking, modern offices, good technology, the availability of good staff, then I would have no hesitation in recommending St Asaph Business Park.